guys, it's Hunter over at Stellhorn RV, home with warranty forever. Today we're at a brand new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 28 VBXL. We are excited about this. It's totally renovated, so this is not going to look like any of the other Salem Cruise Lites that you've seen. So let's dive in and take a deep look at this. So starting up here, obviously you're going to have a power tongue jack, so you don't have to worry about any cranks or anything. You're going to have two 20-pound LP tanks. So it's going to be really nice. Coming around here, they do have a nice LED light for you right above your pass-through storage. So you have a full pass-through, so it's going to go all the way through. You have a dry erase surface as well, if you want to play games, write some notes down, anything like that. So super nice. Up here, so you're going to have a full awning with a full LED light strip, as you can see there. So it's going to be super nice. They have upgraded to this, so they're going to have JBL speakers outside and inside. So that's a nice upgrade that they've done. A little bit better sound quality. JBL is a great speaker system. So here you're going to have outdoor kitchen still. You're going to have this nice griddle. So they have done a Lodge cast iron as far as out here. So that's something that everyone knows about. So that's a nice upgrade, as well as, of course, your fridge here. And then you do have a spray port right here if you needed to spray anything down, kids, dogs, dishes, whatever you wanted to do. This does come with a tankless water heater as well, so it's still going to have that, so it's going to be super nice for you. Has another LED light strip here, right above your TV mount, along with, of course, outlets here. But yeah, let's go inside and we'll check out some more stuff. Alright, so now we're inside this brand new 2025. So as you can see here, you have nice LED lights all throughout the top of the camper, so super bright in here. You do have accent lighting still, so here and on both sides of the slide out, so it just gives you kind of ambient lighting. Does have an upgraded couch here, so instead of that grayish that you're used to, it's this nice brown, so it gives you more of a nice look. Still have storage here, of course, so it does open up, and you have totes under there, and then you have totes under here as well. So plenty of storage still that you're used to. Still has your Versa Lounge where it does rotate over, so you have a full dinette here. To the kitchen, does have a nice full sink, so plenty of room in here. Plenty of storage still in here in your kitchen here, drawer as well. This is a new design that they have, so it's for your microwave. So you can just pull this up, and that's your microwave. So you can kind of hide it as far as when you're not using it. Still have a nice oven and a 3-burner stove, what you're used to. Still gonna have your nice fridge here, plenty of room in here, and then you have your freezer as well. Going over here, you have your bathroom. So your bathroom's gonna have nice lighting as well. So it has a new kind of curved mirror look, along with a nice big shower. So plenty of room for when you're showering in there. Back to the bunker room. So bunker room's gonna have your nice updated couch as well. And then you have 2 bunks on both sides that do come down. So plenty of room for your kiddos. But yeah, let's check out your front bedroom next. Alright, so here's your entertainment center. So it's kind of a new updated look. So you're going to have shelves right here, and then a shelf up here, along with ambient lighting as well. You're going to have your TV backer with all of your plugins right here. And then you're still going to have your nice fireplace that you're used to, along with a little shelf on both sides. So that's kind of a new updated look, which is really nice. And then going into the bedroom here, they've changed things around in here as well. So you're still going to have your Versa tilt that you're used to, so it's going to tilt up, so you can see that. Over here is going to be both your shelves over here, and then you have your laundry chute on this side now compared to that side. You're still going to have outlet on both sides, along with 2 USBs on both sides. And then you're going to have your step up here, along with a little cubby there, and plenty of space if you had a CPAP machine or anything like that. And then, of course, you're going to have your overhead on both sides. And then another update for all around the camper, they do have these bamboo shades, which are going to be super nice year round. You do have a TV backer in the bedroom as well. So that's your 28 VBXL 2025, brand new. So come in, ask for me, Hunter, and we can check it out together. Thank you, guys.